Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we are showing solved assignment of begc-131. This is valid for July 23 and January 24 session. Here is this question paper of this assignment. Questions from passage given in the question paper is question number 1. What is the philosophy being referred to? And the question number 2 is why Nagaland is considered a melting pot. Question number 3 is the Hornbill Festival showcases a melange of cultural displays under one roof. Discuss the statement in the light of the passage. Question number 4 is what does the hornbill represents to the Nagas? And the question number 5 is give a suitable title to the passage. Six says use the following words in sentences of your own. Question number 2 is match the words with sentences given in the table. Question number 3 is make new words by adding suffix to the following words. Number 4 is complete the following sentences with the correct modals. Five is complete the following sentences with participle using the basic verb given in the brackets. Question number 6 is fill in the blanks with the correct words given in the brackets. Question number 7 is you and have been asked to give an inspiring speech about how one can achieve one's dream with courage and perseverance. Write out the speech in about 250 words. Question number 8 is write an essay in around 250 words on the topic environment and technology, exploring the sustainable dynamics. Question number 9 is you and your friends have decided to visit Himachal in the last week of December this year. Write a dialogue in around 200 words between you and a travel agent acquiring for the required arrangements for this trip.